Hello student, let's discuss the question. In this question we have to find out the integrate of the function, and the function is sine raised to the power 4 of x multiplied by dx. So we can write this as this become equals to sine square of x to its whole square multiplied by dx, and we know that the value of the cos of 2 of theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square of theta. So the value of the sine square of theta become equals to 1 minus cos of 2 theta, which is divided by the 2. Here we are going to replace theta with x, so we can say that the value of sine square of x is equals to 1 minus cos of 2 of x, which is divided by 1 minus cos of 2x, which is divided by 2. So from here we can say that the value of I is equals to the integral of 1 minus cos of 2 of x divided by the 2 to its whole square multiplied by dx. Square of 2 become equals to 4, so we can write this as 1 divided by 4 integral of 1 minus cos of 2x to its whole square, which is multiplied by the dx. Now here we are going to use the identity, that is a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this from here become equals to 1 divided by 4 integral of a square minus b square. A is 1 and b is cos 2x. So a square, that is 1 square, plus b square, that is cos of 2x to its whole square minus 2ab, that is 2 multiplied by the cos of 2 of x, which is further multiplied by the dx. So this from here is equals to 1 divided by 4 multiplied by the integral of 1 plus cos square of 2 of x minus 2 cos of 2x, which is further multiplied by the dx. So this from here is equals to 1 divided by 4. We can separate the integral, that is 1 plus dx plus 1 divided by 4 multiplied by the integral of this is cos square of 2x. So cos square of 2x minus 2 multiplied by the 1 divided by 4 integral of cos of 2x multiplied by the dx. So integral of 1 with respect to x become equals to x plus 1 divided by 4 multiplied by the integral of cos square of 2x multiplied by the dx, cos square of 2x multiplied by the dx minus 1 divided by 2. We know that the integral of cos of ax plus b become equals to sine of ax plus b divided by the a. Here the value of a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 0. So integral of this become equals to sine of 2 of x divided by the 2. Now we have to find out the value of the cos square of 2x. So we are considering this is the value of I1. So I1 is equals to cos square of 2x dx. We have to find out the integral of. Here we know that the value of the cos of 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square of theta minus 1. So the value of the cos square of theta become equals to cos of 2 theta plus 1 divided by the 2. Here we are going to replace theta by 2 of x. So we can say that the value of the cos square of 2 of x become equals to cos of 4 of x plus 1 divided by the 2. So the integral, that is I1 become equals to integral of cos of 4 of x plus 1 divided by the 2 multiplied by the dx. So this from here is equals to 1 divided by 2 integral of cos of 4x multiplied by the dx plus integral of 1 with respect to dx. We know that the integral of 1 with respect to dx is x, and we just calculated the integral for the cos of 4x. We have calculated there for cos of 2x. Now the integral of cos of 4x, we are going to use the formula, that is integral of cos of ax plus b dx become equals to sine of a of x plus b divided by sine of a of x plus b divided by a. So here the value of a is 4 and b is 0. So this become equals to 1 divided by 2 sine of 4 of x divided by the 4 plus x. So plugging this value in our integral, so the value of the I1 from here become equals to I1 from here become equals to this is 1 divided by the 4x, 1 divided by the 4x, 1 divided by 4x plus 1 divided by the 4 of plus 1 divided by the 4 of 1 divided by the 2 of sine of 4x divided by the 4 plus x, and this last one is 1 divided by 2 of sine of 2 of minus 1 divided by the 2 of sine of 2x divided by the 2. So simplifying this term, we get the value of I1, that become equals to 3 of x divided by the 8 minus 1 divided by the 4 sine of 2 of x plus 1 divided by the 32 sine of 4x plus c. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this, we use the basic concept of integrals. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.